Dogs have a very strong and sensitive sense of smell. Scientists have proved that this capability of canines can be honed into detecting various diseases. Yes, you heard that right. Dogs are indeed capable of sniffing out life-threatening illnesses. Some of these include cancer, Parkinson's, migraine, etc. Let us look at some of the common ailments that our dogs are capable of sniffing out. Cancer. We are all aware of this common deadly disease, aren't we? But did we know that dogs are capable of detecting cancer? Yes, properly conditioned canines are capable of sniffing out breast, prostate, bladder, as well as lung cancer. There are stories of dogs sensing malignant growth and notifying by licking the spot constantly. Studies have also found that dogs are capable of picking or differentiating blood samples that show traces of cancer in them, and with an accuracy rate of 97%. Even so, it might take a while before hounds are assigned to assist doctors for annual checkups, as the enigma on which compounds are detected remains. Diabetes. Yes, dogs have the capability to detect blood sugar levels. In fact, diabetics use them to help detect the variation in their blood sugar levels. There are many organisations that train dogs to help diabetic people. They do this by alerting when they sense a drop or a spike in sugar levels. It is in fact said that canines can detect this faster than a piece of equipment. However, to achieve such precision, dogs have to be given extensive training. It was also known canines are capable of detecting isoprene, a chemical compound found in human breath that will vary depending on the sugar level. Migraines. Are you a person who suffers from frequent migraines? If you are, you would know how great it will be to be warned before the surge. This can come in handy to help you manage the situation even before succumbing to it. This is where your dog comes in. Yes, dogs are capable of detecting migraines as well. It has been noted by people that there will be a change in their behaviour right before the onset of the migraine. Narcolepsy. Yet another disease that dogs can sniff out is narcolepsy. Now, what is narcolepsy? This is a disorder that will disrupt our sleep cycles. A person affected with narcolepsy may fall asleep all of a sudden. This can happen even in the middle of completing a task, and this could be extremely dangerous. Researchers believe that dogs can pick up when such an attack is about to happen. In fact, a few studies were made making use of patients' sweat samples. Another important role that dogs play when it comes to narcolepsy detection is that they can perform helpful tasks. This may include standing over the patient's lap, preventing them from falling. Canines can also give a heads up way before the attack. Malaria. Though this is a common disease, its deadly effects can't be overlooked, especially if the affected are kids. It has been researched and found that dogs, if trained, are capable of detecting malaria. They can sniff out the disease from a person's used sock. Now, what if the person is presently not having the disease? Well, don't worry, as these trained canines can notify you well in advance. Parkinson's disease. Besides major diseases such as cancer and malaria, dogs are also capable of detecting illnesses such as Parkinson's disease. People who suffer from Parkinson's are known to smell different at an early stage, and it is this that the dogs can detect. Sniffer dogs are trained for the same: fear and stress. Dogs are known to be great at companionship, and this is not just about being playful. It is said that canines can smell the trainer's emotional fluctuations, including stress and fear. They can sense the increase in hormones when we are stressed out. This includes hormones such as adrenaline as well as cortisol. They might show signs of stress if they smell traces of fear around